He was 3 weeks old when he first got adjusted, and it went really well. Just little tiny movements just to get things aligned, and it worked out really good. He really likes it. He smiles when he gets adjusted on the hips, is where he usually needs it. When kids get adjusted, it's little tiny movements. It's not like the big adjustments that you see when adults get adjusted. It's just little tiny movements. When mothers ask me about getting their children adjusted, I really encourage it because they're growing them into a healthy body. If you're nervous about getting your children adjusted by chiropractic care, I would say first go to the chiropractor and talk to them about how they would specifically adjust your child. Have them show you on yourself first how it's different than getting an adult adjustment, and then you just have to trust your chiropractor. But I think it's really important to do that when you're little. My favorite part about coming to Chiro 1 is that I know I can be taken care of. Like I can take care of myself and get adjustments and do my stretches, while the wonderful people who work here help watch my children in a sense. They are so good at helping and being as a family. It's really great. And they get also adjusted and they feel good too. So our whole family can feel good.